Hello all, good evening. This is Nifty Direction recording video on 9th of January 2021. This video is regarding open interest. So this is an educational video where we will learn what is open interest and how to use it to determine the trend in the stock, and apart from that we'll check its advantages and disadvantages, and we'll check some examples on open interest. So this was a long pending video requested by many members on the channel. So let's start it and let's see what is open interest. So open interest, what open interest signifies is it is the total number of contracts held by the buyers and the short sellers in a particular script on a particular day. Okay, so open interest is just a number, you could say, which is equal to total number of longs or total number of short positions on a particular strike. So how to read that open interest? Okay, let's say here is the example given of the trading activity on January 1. So A buys one option and B sells one option contract. So for A, B is the seller, and for B, A is the buyer. So options buying and selling happens between two participants, right? There is always a buyer and there is always one seller. So in that case, the open interest becomes 1. So next, on the next day, C is another person who buys 5 option and D is another person who sells 5 option. So that becomes 6. So 6 is the open interest. So again, the open interest increased here. So this case is the first one, okay, in which there is a new buyer and new seller. So first activity of Jan 1 and Jan 2 are the examples of new buyers entering into the market and new sellers entering into the market. So here the open interest increases from 1 to 6. So that is one of the example. Next, what on Jan 3rd, A sells his option. So A was holding option for 2 days, okay, and on 3rd, okay, 1 day actually. So he sells on the 3rd Jan to D. Okay, in this case D was already a seller. Okay, D was already a seller and he has 5 options open in his trading account. So he had sold 5 options, and on this day he D covered one of the option. So in this case the open interest decreased. Okay, so here this is the example. This is the last line here. It says that former seller buys to cover. So former seller here is D, which sold 5 options on 2nd of January. Okay, so D is the former seller here, and former buyer is A here, okay, who bought option on Jan 1. So open interest decreased here. So from 6 to 6 it will become 5. So this is how you read it. And another example is on Jan 4th, E buys 5 option from C, who sells 5 options. Okay, this is another situation where there is a new buyer, but there is a former buyer. Okay, so in this case the option remains unchanged. So what happens here? E is the new entrant here, okay, but C is one who was already holding options, 5 options on the January 2nd. So here the option again remains unchanged. So here the situation is a little different, where the option open interest remains unchanged. Till now we learned the open interest. Now let's see how to check the open interest. So you can use the different apps. I'm using Concept here. There is a Sensible app as well, or if you are using a web, then there is a Concept web or NSE web as well available, where you can check the open interest. So here in a Concept, on the home screen there is a open interest section in which you can check the open interest of the stock. So here it gives some details. So this is open interest for Nifty for the expiry 14th Jan 21, and this is an graphical representation of open interest. Apart from that, there are two open interest. One is open interest, which is the result of positional trading in the options, and this is change in open interest represents the trading activity done on the intraday basis. So there is a tabular representation as well available, in which it shows the numerical format. In the numerical format, here you would see the table of open interest, where it shows that this particular strike of Nifty 143000 has a call open interest of 20 lakhs, almost 21 lakhs, and this put open interest of 14300 has almost 20 lakh of open interest. So this is how the open interest is represented in concept, and you can check the other strikes as well. This you can the open interest refreshes every 5 minutes, so you can check by selecting you can refresh it by selecting this button. It is not auto refresh, so you will have to refresh and check every 5 minutes or so. Next, what like here is the button to refresh it. So let's learn next about the open interest analysis table. So how does one need to interpret the open interest? So whenever the price goes up along with the open interest, then it's the sign of stock entering in a bullish trend. So or stock is already a bullish, that's what it signifies. So whenever price increases as well as the open interest increases, it means that the long is getting built on the stock. That's how it is read. So long built up is the case when the price goes up as well as the open interest. Apart from that, whenever the price of the stock, let's say it's falling and open interest increasing, that means it is short built up. So short built up suggests the bearish trend of the stock. The stock will start to crash downwards. So that is a short built up. And whenever so these are the two extreme cases. This is a bullish case and this is a bearish case. Okay, so in this case the stock will go up, in this case stock will go down. So price should fall and open interest should rise. So these are the two extreme cases. So the next two are the sideways cases, or you could say it is a sign of trend change. So let's look at them. So when the price goes up but the open interest starts falling, means the stock was already in an uptrend, okay, and then suddenly starts price going up but open interest starts dropping. So that is a sign of potential reversal coming soon. So in that case you should be careful that the stock could reverse anytime. Okay, maybe you can use this sign to cut your position. So that's what it signifies. Another case in this will be the stock is already falling down. Okay, stock is already falling down, but then the open interest starts rising. Okay, open interest starts rising and the stock price is still falling. This means that the open interest is rising, indicates that the trend is about to change, like the stock might anytime go up. So in this case, if you are already on short side of the stock, you should be careful and close your position or use a proper stop loss. So this is how you should read it. So just remember that short covering and long unwinding, these are the two cases that we discussed just now. So in case of short covering, the existing shorts are covered, meaning to say that there is a potential reversal and stock will start to go up. And long unwinding suggests there is a potential downside to be coming and uptrend is going to uptrend is going weaker. Okay, that's how you should read it. So let's check in concept how we can check that. In concept, for each stock or for every index, on the main page you will see a built up section here, which gives you the idea about the built up in a particular stock. So here you would see that this is a Nifty where L signifies the long. Okay, so L signifies the long, and here the price has increased. So Nifty was up by 1.27% and the open interest was also up. This means that there are long position getting built up in the Nifty. And let's check on another example. Let's check Bank Nifty. Here Bank Nifty short covering happened, and the price was going up but the open interest decreased. So this is the case for short covering. SC refers to short covering. uh, Next, another example of shorts where open interest short built up, you could say. Income means the price was falling but the open interest was increasing. It means that the stock is going down. So stock was down 1%. So here on this page you can check all these details. So these are the symbols that shows overall market trend in the FNO section. There were 46 stocks where there was long built up, 14 stocks where there was long unwinding, 19 stocks where the short was built up, means the stocks were strongly in a downtrend or going down, and here 61 stocks where the short covering happened. So this is how you can check in the concept. One more thing to be noted here regarding the open interest is that you can filter out the stocks which have the good momentum for a particular day. So here you can consider, most of the traders follow this practice of checking open interest just to see the stocks which having good momentum. So anything above 15% is said to have a good momentum. So you might be looking at some stocks and they might not be trendy. So in that case you can go and check the open interest built up. So anything which is having more than 15% built up will be a good for trading, at least on that day. So you don't want to be stuck in the stock that are trading sideways, right? You need either stocks going up or stock going down on a particular day. So that can be checked by using open interest as well. Here look for the stocks with minimum 15% of open interest. 25% is better actually. 25% gives a very good moment on that particular direction. And if the stock is in a short, uh, if you see S here, it means that the stock is getting shorted, it's going down. So in that case you should look for the opportunity to sell at a resistance in this particular stock. And whenever there is a more open interest and stock is going up, and if it is more than 25%, uh, look for the bullishness in the stock would go up. Look for the support areas. When the stock goes up and then comes down at the support, you can initiate buy with a small stop loss and you can aim for the big targets here. So you look for these numbers as well. Okay, that's what was the theory part and a little bit on the uh, open interest built up. We'll meet in the next video checking examples, some live examples on Telegram channel. I will put the link into the description for my Telegram channel as well as for this concept. Thank you. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, comment in the comment section, and let me know if you need more details.